So here I'm starting to mill up a few stair treads. As I said, I'm going to fix these directly into the wall, so there's going to be no stringers on them. It'll just be a floating staircase. This is larch timber. The larch was grown at my mum's house. It's slow growing, it's quite old. It's good timber. I find it hard to source this anywhere else. The reason why I'm using the larch is at the time I started to make these, I had a bit of larch. I also like the colour of larch. It's a very nice colour. So that's why I decided to use it, and I had it, but I wish I had had a hardwood. Maybe in hindsight it would have been nicer, but resins are quite good these days and they're very cheap. So I'll put a resin on it and that'll give it the durability it needs. Now I know everybody's different, but I'm only new to milling and this method seems to be working for me. I'm just using a string line here, putting it from one end to the other, finding a straight piece that'll get me a square cut and snapping a line, just like that. Once that line's snapped, I'm going to stand it up and measure both sides. I had 290mm on one side and 295mm on the other. So I needed to pack one side up 5mm. There we have it. It's one stair thread. Just to show you this, like, that's pretty square. This beam here I butchered a few years ago with a chainsaw. I'm just going to square it up. That's going to be a post, one of the corner posts from the sauna for taking a load. There we have it. A square 200 by 200 by 2.5 meter beam. there we have it. One stair tread.